What's up everyone and welcome to another vlog. I am your Bharat. So today in this video I am going to show you how to download Subway Surfers mod APK unlimited everything, keys, money and characters, boards, everything free. You don't need to buy anything with coins. There will be unlimited keys and money. So I'll show the path to download this and I'll leave the link in the description. Go directly download it. So clicking on the link in the description, it will take you to this website. So when you scroll down, Subway Surfers hack, download Subway Surfers latest APK, unlimited coins and keys. So you click on download APK. It will ask download again because I downloaded already and I already installed it. So when you install it, the app will show like this, Subway Surfers. So let's for your sake, let's delete this. So let's go to downloaded file. The app is starting. Let's install this. It will take some time to install. This is 100% working. I have played and seen 10 minutes back, so I am uploading now. I have searched lot of websites to get this type of game. I don't know why this is taking this much of time to install this. Yeah, installed. It's doing some scanning process. Done. Let's get back. So open this up. World Tour Marrakesh. So after installing this, it will ask you to set your date of birth. So let's set our date of birth, March 2000. Okay, I accept. Subway Surfers. So let's start the beginning of our journey. Hop, jump, scroll. So let's stop this for a moment. Hey! So it will ask you to play the game till you collect some coins. Hoverboard. So T 2. So let's end this game when we collect the letter O. Where's the letter O? Come fast. We got this O. So let's end this journey. Word hunt completed. So I don't need to double up the coins because I have a hell lot of coins. See, you can see 111.1 million keys and 111.1 million coins and 1189 trophies. So let's go to home. So let's click on me, and here you can see the hell lot of characters all are unlocked. Select, fresh, select. Oh my god, in the original edition also there will be no such characters like this. These are the super characters. These are the new characters. So let's select some character which I like. So I like this Prince because my nickname is Prince. So let's select this Gucci. So let's select on boards. So see here guys, a lot of boards are there. When you scroll, go on scrolling, you'll get some unlimited board stuff. This one. Oh my god, I have searched a lot of websites for this. Finally I got this. So let's select some special board for this journey. And you can even select snake, carpet, and Harry Potter Halloween special, and this. So let's select this, some teleporter for your hoverboard. No, this one is not nice. This one comes from music. So let's see. So no, let's select this. Next, awards. See, all awards for you. Collect. So when you go on collecting like this, so many awards will be there. So let's continue. Let's go back and press on shop. So you have only 2 hoverboards here. Go on pressing 300. The hoverboard number are increasing like damn. See, but so you're going on purchasing hoverboard for 300 coins, and the coins on the top 111.1 million is not decreasing a single bit because it's hacked. So let's select 100. It's enough. So select mystery box. So let's skip this and have a score booster. Use up to 3 plus increase your multiplier by 5, 6 or 7 for 1 run. So let's select this for 50. So let's hit start. I want this. Head start. Woo! Allow this head start. Use up to 3 to skip head start and start running at higher speed. So let's select this to 100. So jetpack. Wow! Oh, I love this update, guys. I love this update. Multiplier. So let's select free stuff, and these are all same. So this is fantastic, guys. Fantastic. So here you get this stuff. So once you collect that 40 on the top, that is challenge you have picked up, some stuff will come to you. You can enjoy. So this is how to download this and play your Subway Surfers, the most addicted game of small kids, and for time pass and for passing the time we'll play this game even by elders also. But some people delete this game because they can't buy all the characters. So let's skip this. Home. So this is 100 hoverboards. I love this. So top run. Select top run. Where am I? You can't connect this to face because it's hacked. So let's go back. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link in the description. Go download it. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Gracias.